Hey y'all, so I am back. So I wanted to come and do an intro for this hair. If you want to see how I got this look, this is a headband wig, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so this hair is from SOWigs or SOWigs. So this is the bag, really pretty purple color. They actually did send me a headband, which I was definitely planning to wear, but now I have it. I'll show you how it looks in just a second, but I got this crystal one. I picked the crystal one with the multicolors in it because I already have some with the clear crystals, but you can also get the clear crystal ones on the website as well. And then this is their little maintenance card. This is so cute. It's like cut in the shape of a butterfly, and it tells you how to care for your wig. Like, that is so freaking cute. And they sent me this clip. It says happy, one of those diamond clips. And then the hair, I believe it was in a plastic. Oh no, wait, the hair was in this bag, so you can also store the hair in here as well, which their packaging is just really nice. And then this tag was with the wig. So I have a 24-inch Peruvian headband wig, and I believe it is body wave. I did go in and one curl it just to, you know, have the curls to pop really nice. And then I put this headband on. Today is actually St. Patrick's Day. I don't know when this video is going to go up, but I had put on this dress, and it has like green lining and stuff, and I was like, I could put on my green headband instead of just putting like a black one on. And then I was like, yo, it's actually St. Patrick's Day, so it matched, you know, perfect to have green on. But yeah, this is the hair. Let me show you the back. It's real cute. It's like a nice, you know, everyday kind of length, not too long or anything. And yeah, I just laid some baby hairs. I did my baby hairs off camera because y'all know your girl is going through some postpartum hair loss situation going on, and skin, like the postpartum stuff is dead, like it's killing me. But yeah, I got these headbands and I have them in like all colors now. I was thinking about actually selling them, so y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all want me to get some more, I will put them on my site. But I did want to also show y'all how the headband looks that comes in the package, because I thought this was so cute, and I'm definitely going to be getting my use out of this. So I'll just remove her and pop her on. Oh my god, I could tell that this is so freaking cute. And I like this because this one is smaller. I believe this one is smaller than my crystal one. So yeah, because my head is already big, and those, like these padded ones, make my head look even bigger, but they stand out a lot. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. Like, so cute. I love it. It's so pretty. I love all the colors. So you can definitely put it on with like a jean outfit. It would be really pretty with, but like any color that's in here, you could put like a solid, put on a solid color from one of these, like the blue or the red or something like that, or even black or white also looks really pretty. But yeah, this is super cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop my little Prada one back on. And so yeah, if y'all want to see how I got this hair, then keep on watching. Okay, doll, so I already did my baby hairs, and I curled the wig off camera just the night before sitting down, and I just did some quick wand curls in it. This is how the wig is constructed. It does have combs in it, and also the band with the Velcro that you can attach to the back. So I'm just applying the wig, and then I'm going to use the comb that is in the center just to hold the wig in place so that it doesn't slide back. I really like to have a comb in the center of my headband wigs because I feel like it just sits better, and you don't really have to worry about it sliding back at all. So once I place that in, then I'm going to just start combing through the hair. I did get a little bit of shedding. The hair was a little bit dry, so I did go in and add my Bio Silk to it. And this also gives the hair a really nice shine, and it also just smells really good as well. So I'm just putting a bit of bio silk through the hair, and then I'm also going to grab my wide tooth comb and just start combing through the hair so that the curls can comb out really nicely and they're not as defined as they were previously, and it gives you also like a more voluminous kind of look. So yeah, I'm just combing through the hair, and this is what it's given. It's real cute. I did kind of like a little flip over so y'all could see how this looks. If you're going to do this, then definitely tuck the band underneath. But yeah, it's cute like this also. But I was gonna wear a headband this day, so I just pushed it back and wore it like in its more natural kind of look. And then I'm gonna grab a headband to put on. So I decided to go with my green Prada headband. As you can see, I have like green on my dress, so I'm just popping that on, and you can see how it looks really cute. I'm also going to show you a different headband that came in the package, or I think I already showed y'all that in the intro. But yeah, this is the finished result. Super cute. Okay, doll, so that pretty much concludes the video. I did curl the hair with this curling wand, just in case anyone is interested. This is how the wand looks. It is kind of a little thicker here, and I feel like it gets a little bit more slender towards the bottom, but it's not like a reverse one or anything. So yeah, I did curl the hair with that, and yeah, the hair is really cute. It held its curl really nice. Today is really like humid and raining here, so you know, my curls tend to usually drop in that kind of weather, but they stay really pretty, and it's like a nice curly wave with the flat iron, or with the wand curler. So yeah, the hair turned out super cute, and I got a lot of compliments actually today. I went to the nail shop, and some people were saying that I look cute, and whenever I went to go and get something to eat, and I was only in the car, so it was definitely more so up than, you know, like seeing my outfit, because I was sitting down in the car at that point. But yeah, they was like, oh, you look cute. So yeah, it turned out cute. And I love me a headband wig for a quick throw on. Like, I got ready and did my hair and everything and was out the door. Even though I was late, I woke up late, but I was still able to get my hair situated and looking good and decent, you know. I didn't do my baby hairs how I probably normally would, but I just did them real quick and I was out the door. So yeah, if y'all have questions about this hair, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will have everything listed down below on this hair and this company. So yeah, bye dolls.